In November 2004, Navy pilots training off the coast of California spotted something they couldn't explain. It was a smooth, wingless white cylinder, roughly 40 feet long, hovering just above the waves. When they tried to get close, the object moved with impossible physics. It executed sharp, right-angle turns at several times the speed of sound, all without any visible engines or exhaust plumes. For years, this footage has been used as the smoking gun for alien visitation, proof that something from another world is watching our military. But the truth is actually more grounded. This wasn't an alien visitor. It was a highly classified, self-flying American drone, operating in a secret live-fire test. We don't have to guess how it pulls off those impossible moves, because the mechanical explanations are actually sitting in a series of public documents. These blueprints were authored by Dr. Salvatore Pais, an aerospace engineer for the Navy's premier aviation research center. The military didn't just build this craft, they formally patented the instruction manual for how it works. To understand this craft, we have to look at the biggest enemy of any airplane: mass. Conventional flight is a constant struggle against the weight of the craft and the friction of the air. The Navy solution is a concept called mass reduction. Think of it like your microwave at home. It uses energy to vibrate molecules inside your food to create heat. This craft's hull acts like a chamber, bouncing extreme microwave energy back and forth, vibrating the metal at a quantum level. This intense vibration creates a vacuum bubble, a protective shield pushing away gravity, severing its connection to the world. Inside this frictionless bubble, the craft basically has no mass. It can accelerate instantly or pull those violent turns because there's no weight to hold it back or tear the ship apart. This also explains another mystery: how the craft can dive from the sky directly into the deep ocean without a massive splash or an impact. The craft projects a magnetic field ahead of itself that instantly flash vaporizes the water into steam. It never actually touches the liquid. It flies inside a self-generated, frictionless steam cushion that parts the ocean for it. This provides a direct answer to what the Navy pilots reported: a massive patch of boiling, churning whitewater on the surface, even though the rest of the ocean was perfectly calm. The craft moves through both air and water using the same trick. It creates its own environment, never having to fight the world outside. If this is a Navy vehicle, why does it have no windows, absolutely no doors, and no pilot seat? The answer is biological. A human body would be crushed by the force of a Mach 10 turn, even inside a mass reduction field. To fly this way, you have to remove the human liability. The brain of the craft is a specialized computer that uses machine intelligence. It doesn't react like a human. It processes tactical decisions across thousands of possibilities at once. During the 2004 encounter, the object vanished and reappeared at the pilot's secret meeting point. It didn't guess the location. It somehow intercepted the encrypted digital data sent between the Navy's communication systems, arriving at the coordinate before the pilots even got there. It is a machine predator, reacting with a level of precision that responds faster than a human heartbeat. If the Navy is testing this 40-foot drone in the middle of the ocean, where are they keeping it? 40 feet is a very specific number. It's the exact height of a standard nuclear missile launched from under the sea. The Tic-Tac was launched directly from a submerged United States nuclear submarine. It powered up its engines inside the silo, shot out through the water, and entered the sky right in the middle of the Navy's training area. This wasn't an encounter with another world. It was an internal test where a submarine-launched drone proved it could humiliate the military's best fighter pilots. The Tic-Tac is a terrestrial feat, a combination of mass reduction physics, that steam cushion technology, and advanced machine intelligence. The evidence shows us that we aren't looking at alien magic. We are looking at a massive hidden leap in human engineering. The most impossible technology in our skies doesn't come from the stars. It was built right here,